Hey Stampin' friends, welcome to the Joy of Stamping with Rachel. I'm Rachael Coon and it's our Wednesday's kit class. Go ahead and hold, I'll flip and I'll tell you all about what card we're making today. Alright, today's card is a very simple card, and in your kit you would get 4 of these cards to make. If you were to order between now and Friday, $35 worth of Stampin' Up! Products from my online store. This card I thought was important to make because sometimes you go through Christmas and we open the gifts and we forget to express the gratitude that we feel once we have these wonderful gifts from our family and friends. So I always like to have some thank you cards that are winter style and that are simple and easy to make because I know I'll be making lots of thank yous here in the next couple of days. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and get started. This one's super easy. Let me show you the stamp set I used, but you can use any stamp set that has the word thank you on it, and that fits within our label space. I'm using the beautiful autumn stamp set that will be retiring here by January 4th. It's its last day. And I am using also this DSP, which is the Snowflake Splendor, and is also retiring and is also discounted right now. And then this is a blue adhesive backed gem. This one's actually carrying over, which I'm super happy because look at that. It's just shimmers. It's really beautiful. Other than that, oh, and this label right here comes from the Hippo Happiness dies. I'll show you these in here. Not only does this set have dies to cut out our shapes, like our hippos and our unicorns right here, but it has all these fun different label shapes as well. And we are using this one right here today. All right, let me go ahead and show you this simple card and how you can make it with ease. We'll put it right over here and show you some of our pieces. So I told you I already have this. This is in Pool Party, and I just picked a color that matched the DSP. That's how I picked that one out. Let's make sure we're in focus. When I bring it close to you guys to see things, it goes out of focus. So let's see if we can get it to go back in for you. Maybe. If you're here, be sure to say hi. I love to see you guys leave comments during these videos. All right, it still seems really blurry. Hopefully we can get it to clear up, or I might have to have things up close. All right, so we have just a regular Whisper White piece of cardstock, and I have it, our regular scorings at the 4 1/4 and from the 8 1/2 and by the 5 1/2. Then we have 4 pieces of DSP, and this comes from a 12 by 12 sheet of DSP, and what I've used is 2 of the designs, and you'll notice that if I were to flip it over, I would start getting matches. So there we go. These 2 come from the same one, and these 2 come from the same one, and I just flip one. So I'm only using 2 pieces of DSP for it, which makes it really nice. And then you can align your DSP in any order that you want when we glue it on. I'm going ahead and use some liquid glue. And when I do this, I start with my ends, and I like them to go slanted. So I don't want them to be all lined up. You totally could line them all up, and that would be fine. But I like mine to be at different angles and look kind of crazy, but on purpose. All right, so there's one end right here. Let's find another end for that one, which will be this one right here. So I'll put some glue. And how I had it matched up is that these 2 were my starters for my ends. Just one was flipped. I'll go ahead and put that at an angle, just like that. And then we have our centers. I'm going to start with this one next for that one. And let's go ahead, that looks nice. We'll do that side. I pick it by whatever DSP has the better side out of the 2. All right, there we go. There's that one. And our last one is this really pretty snowflake one. Let's see if you can see that one. So winter just started. What was that on? Was it Monday or Sunday? Just this week, official winter has started. But as you know, a lot of times after Christmas, people think like winter's over and gloves go on sale. I get my best deals usually then. It's kind of crazy. But it still snows, especially if you're in places out east or in my home state of Colorado. You know that winter's not over. It's just beginning. Here in California, I do not have snow. And so these cards are very winter-like, but maybe not so much my winter, huh? But I think it'd still be a great card to give to thank someone during this time. All right, I'm using Misty Moonlight. It's my ink of choice. I was either that one or Night of Navy is what I would suggest. Let me go ahead and grab our stamp, which is that thank you we're using. And this one even had a my heart is grateful for you, which would have been a good one as well. So you pick and choose anything that says that you are grateful for what you've been given. I would highly recommend. All right, let's get this lined up right here in the middle and press down. Awesome. Such cool font. I love that font. Let's go ahead and put dimensionals in the back of this one. There are some suggested items I'll have up over on my blog for if you want to order $35 worth from me. You can look at that list. It'll give you some ideas. And some of those ideas might not be current within the next 2 weeks once things are retiring. So be sure to get them sooner than later if that's something that you like. All right, dimensionals on the back, and we're just going to put that right in the center. And we are almost done. I told you, this one's super fast. All right, let's go ahead and pick one of our gems here. These ones are actually carrying over and will be in our next annual catalog. And so we're going to go ahead and use this, and you can order these from now until for almost a year now. So I'm excited for that. We're just going to put one right about here at the end. So pretty. I love this gem. Let me close this up so I don't make a mess. You guys need to yell at me when you see me with things that are open. Hey, we see a friend on here. I'm so glad you're here. I'm almost done with this really simple card. Our thank you Christmas cards. Here we go. We'll show you how they look. Oh, I love it. And I love how this one has more purple in this one. This one's a little bit lighter blue, all just based off of the paper that we use and how it lined up right. Super simple cards. I hope you guys like these ones. And if you order between now and Friday, I'll send you a kit with all the paper products to make 4 cards very similar or just like these ones. Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas week. It's almost here. Can you believe it? I'm super excited. This is my last Facebook Live for the year. I will have some videos ready for you guys to watch throughout the next couple weeks, but this will be my last live. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.